Me Donna's, me come out of my car while I go today on Wednesday. And me supposed to go to Gracey for food. Me no call her from morning. And me see 3 missed call from her. So it look like she call me for the food. Right now, me just come out of dentist because me drop one filling drop out of my mouth and me having there how much years now because me keep on I use them tough Jamaican toothbrush there and I rub out my teeth. So feeling drop out and I'm very insecure. I don't want to talk up in nobody and then smell my bad teeth in my mouth. Me not have bad breath, but when it come on to my teeth, them I'm very insecure because I have bad teeth. I have fillings. So I just gonna do a filling a while ago and clean my teeth. And I just 3 months ago I clean my teeth, you know. I clean my teeth again. Yeah. Mama me call Gracey. When it come onto my mouth, I'm very, very insecure. Me no want no, cause one thing me can tell you, me hate walk up to people and them smell my mouth. When we wake up at morning time, we say to my husband, blowing them face. If my mouth smell, tell me, or you fi tell me. Me I go right up in my face and breathe. Cause me know say me have feeling for doing in my mouth. You smell my mouth? No, you not smelly. Stop telling lie man for me slap you in your head. You smell my mouth? No, if me smell him, would I tell you? That's what me do him. But I prefer him tell me. Because him would I wake up in the morning and give me a kiss on my mouth. So obviously, him are the person for tell me if him smell my mouth. Him for be the one. Alright, here we go. Gracey now. Long time I don't know hear her. Here ya.
How long may I call you? If I something I do, me can't depend on you.
Wait there. What you talk about? You call me. You call me phone. You not even ask me if me alright. Suppose I something do me. So something can do you and nothing not do me.
Yes.
How can go so?
Not do you.
Where food there?
Yes, not do you.
So where the food? It's on like scratch record. Where the food? I mean,
I look for sitting for Hyacinth over, so she wants sitting for her birthday. I may call if you have to, I can't send her one dress. Me there, the little place here, so down the road.
Kuya, I can't go so. Me not tell you say I want food if I cook and I need the food.
Listen, you send me up to go one day in my yard, me can't do so much something for you. I'm sorry. You want me ready.
What you do for me?
Anything where you think me I do for you, me I do.
How long now me ask you for little food?
You just look how much it was me I call you just feel like return my call.
You know them did a plunge out my teeth. Them did a plunge out my teeth for must about 2 hours.
Then I went to for your teeth, make it again.
Well, as a new dentist, I'm come fill out application. I have one teeth in my mouth what I'm so insecure with.
Yes.
And the feeling.
No,
a long time. The teeth, the feeling drop out there. And I always feel insecure with it. I want to feel it from when, but I that wait for the new insurance. Nobody now look down my throat, but me just don't want. Bad teeth make your mouth smell, you know, you didn't know that?
I don't have none, I don't know.
Okay, so I'm just make you know.
I may God continue bless me because me are 50, I may not have none, I may not want.
You don't have no feeling either? You don't have no feeling? You go dentist, go clean your teeth? Wow, you have good teeth, Gracey. When me a look up at me not go through that. Me have one toothbrush for 15 years.
No.
And me use salt brush my teeth. So we never have them the luxury that we have, so that's why now I have to suffer with my teeth. Sometimes I feel like to take out the whole of them and go put in implant.
Me did want to ask you one question.
Look while me said to the dentist say me I go take out the teeth where she want to feel. She said no, it's a very good teeth. She said it's a very good teeth. Don't take it out. No. Save it. And then she said no. Save it. No. She said no, just
Hold
fill
on.
it.
Never call you back. Me need one.
Gracie,
Phone.
just get a just go at the post office, man, and make them ship it
No,
express.
he might do it. He might do it. Me not go to the post office. Me come here so me I do it here so me can't
All
bother.
right.
Yeah, me soon call you back.
Yeah. Yeah, guys. So it's like she said, no. See if your teeth is very strong. Nothing wrong with the teeth. You just have a little filling. Say a little filling. And one day I'm gonna drink something and it'll hurt me for a couple of hours. But it's the first time I drink something cold and icy. And it start hurt me. But after that, it never bother me. The cocaine still in the jar. But I'm upper top corner, you know. But not do my teeth. Not do my teeth them. I'm try to take care of them since me able to take care of them the best me can. You know, me not floss, but me always have toothbrush. I dig down in my teeth them and I clean them out. You know, so I tell her to take it out. Because I have a couple missing teeth. And I tell her, I said, I would do implant. And she said, implant is good. But, you know, don't just take out my teeth like that. Yeah. I'm always I tell you that. Anyway, guys, that's it. Goodbye. Adios.